How to fix location services not working in iOS 18.1. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix location services not working in iOS 18.1. Follow these steps to get it sorted. Let's get started. First, open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down to Privacy and Security and tap on Location Services. Ensure that Location Services is toggled on in the Location Services menu. Scroll to the app that's not working. Now select the app and set the location access to while using the app or always if needed. Go to Settings, tap on General, select Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it to fix potential bugs. Go back to Settings, open Wi-Fi or Cellular to ensure your device is connected to the Internet. Location services often need a reliable network connection. Now, after following all these steps, check whether the location services issue is resolved or not. And that's it. These steps should help fix location services issues in iOS 18.1. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more iOS tips. See you in the next one.